Welcome to Happy Chinese Class. 我是黄老师 I'm your teacher, Li Huang. In today's video lesson, we will learn how to ask for directions in Chinese. There are different ways to ask for directions. For example, if you want to go to Boston University, you can say, 请问波士顿大学怎么走？请问您知道怎么去波士顿大学吗？请问从这儿到波士顿大学怎么走？您好，我想去波士顿大学，不知道怎么走，您能告诉我吗？ Now let's role play. Please ask for the direction to the library. The possible ways to ask are 请问从这儿到图书馆怎么走？我想到图书馆去，请问你能告诉我怎么走吗？请问到图书馆怎么走？ You may also want to know how far your destination is from your current location. What would you say? Let's watch the conversation first. 同学你好，请问学校宿舍在什么地方？
学校宿舍就在图书馆旁边。
图书馆离这儿远吗？对不起，我是大一新生，不知道图书馆在哪儿。
图书馆离这儿很近，你往前一直走就到了。
好的，谢谢。
不客气，再见。
The freshman doesn't know how far the library is from the current location, so she asks, 图书馆离这儿远吗？离 is a preposition. It means away from. It can be used to talk about distance. A 离 B 很远. This pattern expresses that A is far from B. A 离 B 很近. This pattern expresses that A is close to B. Let's practice. Please answer my questions based on the map. 加州离波士顿远不远？ Well, you can say 加州离波士顿很远。纽约离波士顿远吗？纽约离波士顿很近。Okay, that's all for today. I hope you enjoy learning Chinese. 再见。